Start Multani Legal Passage number 1. Start. The trial court, after recording evidence, held that the suit was not properly valued and it was maintainable in the form in which it had been filed, that the appellant was a bona fide purchaser of land for value without notice and hence protected, that the appellant was not entitled to compensation cost and that the plaintiffs were not the owners in possession of the sued property, full stop. Paragraph. The suit, was, therefore, dismissed, full stop. On appeal, the additional district judge found that the suit was properly for the purposes of court fee and jurisdiction, that the issue with regard to appellant being a bona fide purchaser did not arise out of the pleadings but held that the plaintiffs had not proved themselves to be the owners of the property and upheld the decision of the trial court, full stop. Paragraph. In civil revision, a learned judge of the High Court, after consideration of the entire evidence, came to the conclusion that the material evidence had been ignored and the legal effect of evidence on record had not been considered at all, full stop. On these grounds, the revision was allowed and the suit decreed, full stop. Paragraph. The learned counsel for the appellant contended that as in the leave granting order, a finding of fact had been interfered with and there was hardly any justification for it, full stop. Besides, it was contended that the earlier sale about which reports had been made to the Patwari stood rejected under the Punjab Alienation Act and that those orders had attained finality and were not open to caution, full stop. The appellant had purchased the property by a registered deed and the revenue record was consistently in favor of Allah Baksh, the owner from whom the appellant had purchased the property, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents, on the other hand, contended that the property which was the subject matter of sale being already built up, it was not land for the purposes of Punjab Land Alienation Act and there was no statutory bar to its sale even to a non-agriculturist, full stop. According to him, the refusal of the revenue officer to sanction that sale is of no legal effect, that law being inapplicable, full stop. It was further contended that the two reports made to the Patwari were not just entries of revenue record, raising no statutory presumption of correctness, full stop. there was more to it, full stop. Ghulam Muhammad, who had recorded that report, had appeared as Patwari and had stated about the admissions made by the owner Allah Baksh and the Hussain Baksh, full stop. This evidence of Ghulam Muhammad stands by itself and had to be examined as such, full stop. It got added support from a document prepared in discharge of the official